The overall goal of this protocol is to describe a general method to synthesize 1,2 Azaborines and its potential application in biomedical research.
The main advantage of this technique is that it shows a short synthesis of 1,2 Azaborine compounds, which are emerging boron-containing isosteres of the ubiquitous benzene motif. The precursor that is described can be further functionalized into potentially more complex molecules. The preparation of protein complexes with 1,2 Azaborine will give some insight into future application in biomedical research.
To begin this procedure, prepare the ring-closed product as outlined in the text protocol. Add 14 grams of palladium on carbon to this prepared product in toluene. Then remove the flask from the box. Fit the flask with an oven-dried 2440 reflux condenser that has been purged with nitrogen and equipped with chilled water. Place the flask in an oil bath and heat the reaction to a vigorous reflux at 135 degrees Celsius while stirring. Maintain the reaction at reflux for 16 hours. After this, remove the flask from the oil bath to cool the reaction to room temperature. Once it's cooled, replace the reflux condenser with a septum on the reaction flask. Using a syringe equipped with an oven-dried Luer-Lock needle, withdraw a 0.5 milliliter aliquot. Transfer the aliquot to a screw-top NMR tube. Analyze the sample via boron-11 NMR. If the reaction is incomplete, transfer the reaction flask into a glove box. Then add an additional 3 grams of palladium on carbon.